off the reef?
You want to go to snorkeling?
We're going to snorkel?
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
now we find one guy. He's got the name Francisco.
Is this
He's
Francisco?
a good captain.
He's the best captain.
Yeah, the best captain. Because I love the missionary Rob. The missionary Rob helped me do something. About the missionary Rob, I got one boat. He gave us some money for go to school for my children.
Wow.
Yeah, my family feel happy to meet missionary Rob anyway. I feel happy too. So God, he can bless the missionary with someone of America. Love some American people. He's coming on the Canadians. That's all feel okay.
Yes.
Francisco is a good guy, good captain.
Francisco is good captain.
Yeah.
Merci un peu.
Yeah, merci un peu. She like to speak comme. Merci un peu.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
Okay. Ready, girls? Go snorkel. You gonna get in the water, Christina? It's Ronnie. Hi, Ronnie. Ronnie's been with us for a few days, helping us translate and keeping us company. Rice-A-Roni?
No, there's it's an old song.
I don't know if I know it. Girls are getting their snorkeling stuff on. They're gonna go in the reef. They've been working hard all week. Now they get to have fun. Crazy fun. It's tight.